finally breathing slow. Streetlights learning how to glow. Every sound is falling soft, like secrets we forgot we lost. I've been running from the day, chasing things I couldn't name. Now the silence calls me home, says I don't have to walk alone. And the clock don't mind if we stay in this moment, drift away. Every worry fades in time when your rhythm meets with mine. After the noise, there's a song playing where we both belong. Soft and low, it knows our name. Doesn't ask, it doesn't blame. After the noise, we can breathe. Let the world fall underneath. Every heart finds its release. After the noise, there's peace. Coffee cups and half-made dreams, neon dancing in between. Every scar we tried to hide learns to glow in softer light. I don't need the truth so loud, just your shadow in this crowd. Every step we never planned feels like something we understand. We don't have to chase the sun. Tonight is where we come undone. Let tomorrow wait its turn. There's nothing left we need to learn. After the noise, hearts align, falling out of space and time. Every breath a gentle release. After the noise, there's peace. Maybe healing isn't loud, maybe it's the quiet now, when the world forgets our names and love still sounds the same. After the noise, we remain, not broken, not the same, just two souls learning ease, floating on a midnight breeze. After the noise, let it fade. Every promise gently made. In the dark we finally see who we are and who will be. After the noise.
memories we never said, words still living in my head. Your shadow moves beside my own, two silhouettes of skin and bone. We don't touch, but we feel close, like secrets nobody knows. Every pause says something more than all the things we said before. I read your eyes like open signs. Truth is hiding between the lines, between the lines. I hear your heart, every sentence tears me apart. What we don't say says enough, it's heavy, slow and soft. Between the lines, we breathe it in, all the places we've both been. No need to speak, no need to try. Your truth is written in your eyes. Late night air, it feels so thin, like one breath could pull us in. Every step feels undecided, but I don't mind where we're guided. You look away, then back again, like you're afraid of what might end. But endings don't scare me tonight, not when the moment feels this right. We don't need a perfect plan, just your hand inside my hand. Let the world keep rushing by, we'll stay here and let it slide. Between the lines, I hear your heart, every silence tears me apart. What we don't say says enough, it's heavy, slow and soft. Between the lines, we breathe it in, all the places we've both been. No need to speak, no need to try. Your truth is written in your eyes. Maybe love is just this space where nothing's rushed and nothing's chased, where every look becomes a sound and every lost thing's somehow found. Between the lines, we finally see what we are and what Street lights painting gold on your skin. Radio low, let the night drift in. Every word hanging in the air, like we're saying more than we share. Windows down, city breathing slow. Every mile got a story to show. We don't rush, we don't pretend. There's a moment, don't need an end. Your voice cuts through the quiet space like a memory I can't replace. Every time you say my name, it don't ever sound the same. Midnight conversations flowing like the street lights do. No expectations, just me and you. Midnight conversations, nothing else feels true. Every word we're saying feels like deja vu. Dashboard glowing soft and blue. City dreams are passing through. Your reflection in the glass feels like something from the past. Every laugh, every pause makes me forget the cause of all the noise I tried to hide. You read me without asking why. No need to fill the empty space. Silence fits us just the same. Every breath is falling right in the rhythm of the night. Midnight conversations spilling like a slow refrain. No explanations, we don't need to name the pain. Midnight conversations drifting out of you. Every word we're saying feels honest, feels true. Maybe it's the dark that makes us real. Maybe it's the way we don't conceal all the parts we try to hide when the world is loud outside. Midnight conversations hold me where I stand. No expectations, just your hand in mine. Midnight conversations fading with the dawn, but the feeling lingers even when you're Midnight conversation.
Needle drops, the room stands still. Dust and time bend to the will. every note we used to know, spinning slow, spinning low. Old memories in stereo, every scar begins to glow. In the quiet, hearts unwind, lost in sound, we lose the time. Every crack tells the truth, every note feels warm but true. Nothing perfect, nothing new, still it feels like something new. Blue vinyl, play it slow, let the night begin to glow. Every flaw just makes it real, every sound is how we feel. Blue vinyl, don't let go, turn the hurt to something warm. In the echo of the groove, we remember who we were. Shadows dance across the wall, late night thoughts begin to fall. Every breath a softer tone, like the world's a gentle home. No need for the perfect line, just a heart that keeps on time. In this song we disappear, nothing loud but always near. Every spin brings something back, moments hiding in the cracks. We don't rush, we don't rewind, we just let the rhythm guide. Blue vinyl, feel it sway, let the past just drift away. Every scar becomes a tune, spinning under silver moon. Maybe love's a worn-out sound, still the best we ever found. Scratched and worn, but always true, every note leads back to you. Blue vinyl, play it slow, let the silence start to glow. Every moment, every feel, lives forever in the real. Blue vinyl, fade but stay, don't let the night slip away. In this song we always find peace of heart and peace of mind. Blue vinyl. Shadows dancing at my feet, city breeze and shades of blue. Every light reminds me of you. Windows glow, the night feels warm. Time moves slow in every form. Every thought just drifts away. Nothing left I need to say. All the noise begins to fade. In the quiet I feel safe. Every second lingers on like a soft and fading song. Neon moon, don't let me go. Hold me in your silver glow. Every dream I tried to lose finds its way back here with you. Neon moon, calm and kind, lighting up this heart of mine. In the dark I finally see what this moment means to me. Footsteps echo down the street, lonely rhythm, steady beats. Every shadow knows my name, every night feels just the same. Still your light keeps pulling me to a place where I can breathe. No more running, no disguise, just the truth behind my eyes. All the weight begins to fall when I hear your quiet call. In this glow I feel complete. Every doubt just turns to sleep. Neon moon, soft and slow, paints the night in afterglow. Every fear just fades away when you light my darker days. Maybe peace is just a sound, drifting when the world slows down. Maybe hope is learning how to stay right here, right now. Neon moon, stay a while. Let me rest here in your smile. Every heartbeat calm and true shines a little thanks to you. Neon moon, fade but stay. Guide me gently through the gray. In your light I finally know I'm not lost, I'm just slow. Silhouettes in candlelight, shadows move but feel just right. Every word we never said hangs between us, soft and steady. Velvet moment, slow and deep. Promises we almost keep. Time drips down like melting gold. Every touch is getting bold.
No rush, no need to speak. Every glance says what we need. In this hush, in this glow, we're exactly where we go.
Smoke and silk, the air feels thin. Every breath pulls me in. Slow surrender, soft and still. Hearts unwind against their will. Smoke and silk, fade the world. Let the night around us curl. Nothing loud, nothing built, just this moment. Smoke and silk. City hums outside the door, but we don't hear anymore. Every second stretches wide, like the dark is on our side. No need for a perfect line. Your silence matches mine. In this calm, in this shade, every fear begins to fade. No tomorrow, no before, just this floor and nothing more. Let the night decide the rest. We don't need to second guess. Smoke and silk, soft and slow. Every feeling starts to show. Hearts align without a word. Every truth is genuine.
afterglow. Smoke and silk.
City sleeping, lights are low, sidewalks humming undertones. Every step feels unafraid, like the night was softly made. Windows glow with borrowed dreams. Nothing's ever what it seems. Every sound is warm and slow, like it's got nowhere to go. All the noise is fading out, only calm is left around. Every second feels so clear, like the world just disappeared. After hours, hearts unwind, leaving all the rush behind. Every breath becomes a choice. In the quiet, find your voice. After hours, soft and deep, where the restless finally sleep. In this stillness we remain, nothing lost and nothing gained. Neon flickers, tired eyes. Truth feels closer in the night. No more masks we need to wear, just the moment hanging there. Every thought begins to slow, like a river letting go. In the hush we start to hear all the things we couldn't hear. Every worry drifts away when the clock forgets the day. Nothing rushing, nothing loud, just the calm inside the crowd. After hours, time stands still. Every beat is soft and real. All the weight we used to carry falls away so temporarily. Maybe peace is just the space where we stop the endless race, where the world is small and kind, and we finally lose the time. After hours, let it be just the night and you and me. Every fear begins to cease. In the quiet we find peace. After hours, hold the glow. Let the moment overflow. When the morning starts to rise, we'll still live live between the lines. After raindrops drum a lazy tune, clouds are singing under moon. Every drop knows where to go, like the night moves soft and slow. Windows fog with quiet thoughts, stories shared or left untied. Every echo fills the air, like a whisper we can share.
All the noise begins to fade, only peace is left to stay. Every second bends and sways, like the sky can guide our ways.
Rain on the rooftop, soft and low, let the night just take it slow. Every heartbeat, every sigh melts beneath the darkened sky.
Rain on the rooftop, calm and true, every drop reminds me of you. In this quiet we belong,
flowing gently, soft and low. Street lights shimmer, puddles glow, footsteps match the ebb and flow. Every shadow leans and sways, like the city hums our praise. Coffee steam drifts through the room, mixing with the night's perfume. Every thought begins to rest in the rhythm we love best. All the weight we carry tight fades into the gentle night. Every whisper, every sound wraps us safe and all around. Rain on the rooftop, soft embrace.
Every moment finds its place.
Every fear just falls away in the night we choose to stay.
Rain on the rooftop, linger long. Every beat becomes a song. In this calm we finally see
how small the world can be.
Maybe healing rides the rain,
falling soft to ease the pain.
Every drop a melody,
playing just for you and me. Rain on the rooftop, hold me near. Every shadow disappears. Let the night remind our hearts how even silence can be art. Rain on the rooftop, fade but stay, guide us gently through the gray. In this moment, pure and true, all the world belongs to you. Rain on the rooftop. That quiet smile you wear tonight paints the world in softened light. Every shadow falls away as the blue hour starts to play. Coffee steam and street lamp glow, moments we let move so slow. Every thought drifts like a stream, floating gently in our dreams. No need to rush or say a word. Silence speaks what hearts have heard. Every second lingers still, wrapped in warmth we cannot will. Blue hour, smile, stay a while. Let the night embrace your style. Every worry, every fear fades away when you are near. Blue hour, smile, calm and true, lighting up the darkest hue. In this quiet we can see what it means to just be free. City hums a gentle tune underneath the rising moon. Every glance becomes a spark, illuminating the dark. No need for words, no perfect line. Every pause is by design. In your light the night is kind. Every shadow left behind. All the noise begins to fade. Only calm is left to stay. Every moment feels so real. Every heartbeat learns to heal. Blue hour, smile, linger near. Let the quiet draw you here. Every breath Maybe hope is just a glance in the quiet, in the chance where the world slows down enough and every moment feels like love. Blue hour smile, stay a while, let it heal, let it beguile every heartbeat, every sigh, wrapped beneath the evening sky.